Hi everyone, today I want to make a video about reverse engineering and next inspection in ControlX. I downloaded scan file from site Polyga.com. You can find many samples of the scans here, and you can download yourself and try to learn reverse engineering software with using files. All these files are free. It's around 10 files on the site. Okay, I will use very simple part. It goes Pulley. And I will use Geomagic design 2019 for this part. Alright, let's check dimensions. Okay, dimensions are good. I will make a small decimate. Alright, decimate. 15% is, well, 50% is fine. But one thing, stop. And when you make decimate, press do not move poly vertices and do not modify boundaries. It's very important, and you will not lose in accuracy of the scan too much. Right, next let's make region segmentation. I think 15 sensitivity is fine. Smooth scan. Okay, if you see, I have spherical, plane, planar, cylinder. I think I have some spherical cone, yeah, spherical cone, conical, torus, and I can use these regions for making vector. Revolving axis, use center, cylinder, conical sides, torus, maybe here. By the way, I can make some merging between yeah, something like that. Merging between regions. Yeah, it's much better now. Torus, sphere, cone, cylinder. Other side, sphere, cone, maybe cone here. We need to use revolving axis. Right, and I got revolving axis for correct alignment of the pulley. Next, I see plane here. Let's build plane and go to alignment. Use interactive alignment. XYZ. X axis will be like side, right, plane, and Y will be top plane. Actually, I used it 2015 before, and I see some incomfortability of work with version 2019. But I will try to adopt. Okay, mesh sketch. Let's make mesh sketch planar, method, side plane. I need to make some cuts. Build circle. I need to find coordinates of the center and centering this point directly into the center of origin. Discard sketch, show mesh gain, and go to alignment, transform scan data. This side we have minus 0504 and down minus 1129. Next, I need to make, I think I need to make like symmetrical alignment. Go to 3D sketch again. 3D, sorry, mesh sketch. Apologize. Front through O. Show this line here. Fix. And next, what I do, align symmetry vertical. Actually, I like interface in 2015, but as I told you, need adaptation for 2019 because I think it's faster. Okay, and I need to move on this dimension. Go to alignment, transform, scan data, move right side 5, 6, 8, 1, 5. Okay, ready. And now I can start to make modeling. Build vector. It's very simple part because it's part of rotation. Okay, what I need to build vector. Let's go sketch, mesh sketch, rotational method, central axis, and face plane front. Silhouette range 45, and I will see consistency of this part is like all the way the same. I think it's casting, and maybe somewhere it has some deviation from the ideal shapes, but I will make this part ideal. I think all engineers who watch this video, they understand what I mean about ideal part. Symmetry plane for construction. I think I will not use parametric modeling, yeah, that's small displacement. Maybe, okay, I will try to use parametric. Will take a little bit longer time, but I can make part more ideal. Maybe I will use combination of ideal and not ideal modeling, because really it will take too much time. I will use fixing for everything. Firstly degree, next fixing, remove this red dimension. .4, maybe 630, yeah, 635, quarter of an inch. Yeah, quarter of an inch. So this part, actually, this part is not metrical. This part is in empiric system in inches. And let's use inches. Apply. Okay. You see dimension here. It's radius quarter of an inch. Diameter it's half of an inch. Yeah, if you see some of the dimensions are not perfectly fit to correct numbers in decimal units. By the way, I will not use dimensions. Let's make like raw model faster. I don't want to make this video around 1 hour long. Maybe just 40 minutes. I make lines sketching firstly, and then I will add radiuses for smoothing zones. Should be 60, but okay, part is not completely ideal. Maybe like some angular and some linear dimensions are intolerances. It's possible to use like very fast sketching here, but auto sketch, yeah, I will show you later, alright. But I do not use it because it creates very raw zones sometimes, and fixing will take much more time than I will build from scratch. Right, next fillets. Without add dimensions. And I will not make all pivots parametrical, maybe somewhere I will make them equal. Next, let's make mirrored sketch to another side. And I see some imperfections. It means like left and right side are not equal, they are different. But it's not worried us because I think it's like a label here maybe, and I hope it doesn't matter. The shape is not like so very critical. Okay, let's make something like that. If you are annoyed from any constraints, you can turn off them. Right, I tried to find this, but it's hard. This version of Geomagic. I don't have willing to spend too much time today. Right, I can ignore this side, this shape, because it should be the same with another side. If you see this groove is the same, and I can use groove as nominal for this part, nominal symmetry element. This side only we have straight shape, correct? Okay, let's make revolve. Revolve for solids. Choice profiles, axis for rotation. Okay, it's ready, but use this view. In deviations, okay. I think it's fine. Next, I need to build a hub. I need to understand about, but I will make approximately plane using offset from the center move 0.79. Actually, I can build it as a revolved shape. Yeah. Actually, it's like cones, but right. Let's build this like cone from the cylinder. Sketch, and I need to research something. It's going like conical shape, and I need to understand about degree 0.65. Okay, what about 1 degree? 1 degree is fine. because this part is casting, and we can ignore some dimensions. Okay, here draft angle. Okay, let's set up 0.65. Planar method, use this plane. Okay, and we have shape for a circle. Oh, and it's not directly in the center. You see displacement from ideal center and from cylinder on the hub. Really, we have displacement, but we make this part ideal. Yeah, and let's place cylinder into center with the same diameter, 0.41 inches. Extrude to body, merge, draft angle. Maybe surface will be better, not body. Surface, yeah, correct. That surface. Merge, press. Okay. Ready. Next, let's make this rectangular shape. Has small displacement from the side, only 20 thousandths of an inch. Sketch, mesh sketch. Use draft angle 1 degree. Also, I will make this symmetrical. If you see, we have rectangle, but this rectangle is not directly in the center. You see, we have small displacement, correct? Let's make 0 point. Maybe it's like half of an inch. 49. Okay. Next, let's move this point here. No, nothing happens. I will try to use automatically constrained central point. And height 5.4. Extrude, surface, merge, 1 degree draft, another side. Alright, pivots. Use this button, estimate radius on the mesh, or like that. Okay, that's much correctly. I will use this pivot on all sides. It's correct for castings, like all the same pivots. Maybe here smaller, 0.04. Same here, and I think the same here. Ready, let's check where the mesh. Okay, if you see, we have a ribs here. Also, we have hole for set screw. Hole for the set screw is easy. Also, I do not use this company name, compressed drivers, number. It's hard and unnecessary for reverse engineering. Right, I will use simple sketch to make cut of the hole. And as I told you, I need to be adapted to the software. Really, I like 2015. Their interface is awesome. But here, like, uncomfortable buttons. But I think it's faster, working faster, as I told you before. So, okay, mesh sketch. Right, where is the boundary? I think like higher, bigger radius. But I need to use thread, correct? And we need like hole for thread. So that will be much correctly. Line for centering. Looks like it directly in the center. Okay, correct fractional in decimal values dimension. So O cut. Ready. Set screw hole is ready. I will not build set screw, doesn't matter, standard element. Alright, here if you see we have 3 ribs. I will build one. Need to understand about degree. That's why I'm making this additional line. Additional sketch, sorry. Checking with circular button. Okay. I think it's a little displaced. I think should be this circle should be exactly on the front line. Alright, if we build ideally, yeah, we make it ideal. .36. fix. Right, I will use arc with radius, one dimension, 1. I think I need to have a point, but I will use pierce here. 17 degrees. And up to body without merging for now. Also, another uncomfortability in this version, everything looks like 2 colors. It's not covered. Really, it's very uncomfortable. I need to set up my eyes to understand where is any operation. 2015 is very colored version. It's too much colors, and I understand where is the surface operation, where is the sketch operation. I don't understand why Geomagic removed colors from their new versions. Pattern of the bodies. Equal space in 3. And next I need to make. Where is Boolean? Yeah, here. Merge. Method merge. Boolean operation. And small sketches or small fillets on the bosses, ribs. I think maybe it's an element of custom. Right, now we can check deviations. I will set up lower deviations. Yes. But we are worried about this part inside, about the previous side. If you see, accuracy is very, very good. And about the hole, or the center hole, we are not worried about exteriors, because exteriors are custom and they possibly displace it after casting and after all machine operations. Alright, and about comparison, I opened it 2015. Do you see how it looks like? Okay, this panel is very important for me. Panel when you can switch between different views. I do not see this panel in 2015. 19. I tried. Okay, it's need to make customizing. I understand. And so, but I do not see it here. I hope this should be called view panel. But where is this view panel? Geomagic 3D Systems. Where is this panel? It's very comfortable. I do not see it on the bottom. No. Huh. Also, like you see everything like gray and red, gray, red, pink, surf, bodies, surfaces, everything in the same colors. Guys, look at this. When you have, I will make important part. 1 second. Right, I've opened another part. Okay, what I try to explain. Do you see? Like, I understand. Body, it's a green. Surface is a yellow. Extrusion, it's yellow in combination with blue. Extrusion surface, it's a combination of yellow with blue. Everything is colored. Like, okay, here we have 2 colors, but that's colored. That's not gray. Really, it looks like when SolidWorks 2015 upgraded to SolidWorks 2016, and Owen's version 16 was like 2 colors, like black, white, but it looks like black, white. But anyway, maybe somebody guess it's comfortable, but I'm not. I'm using Geomagic until 5 years, and I do not think it's comfortable. Maybe this reduced computer capabilities, like that's make for faster work, maybe, but again, it's not comfortable. I hope Geomagic you will back to colored interface in your other next versions. Like SolidWorks made it in 2017. They gave possibility of searching, switching between interfaces. Right, I understand. I tried to explain it correctly. Thank you. Let's continue. What we need to do next? I make a saving. Yeah. We have button SolidWorks. Alright, but which version? 2015 and 2017. Alright. I have 2017. Let's try this operation. LiveTransfer, yeah. Start from first feature 2017. Alright. Go to SolidWorks and you see everything automatically built. And if I had any parameters like dimensions, everything will be inside of this model in SolidWorks. Alright, field constraint, something with the field. Oh, maybe, yeah, it's cannot be mirrored. Oh, sorry, not mirrored, like circular patterned. Only select resume from selected features. Okay, from here. Cannot build circular pattern. Okay, doesn't matter. But another way we can make export XT or any other neutral formats. Okay, we can say I just step XT, XB, set, SEB. I'd prefer use XT or XB. I do not like step files. I just files they are part of sheet. And when you open the step files, it started to open it very slow, very long time. When you have XT file, it's open it very fast. We can try it. And if you see step save it longer than I will say XT file. Oh, oops. XT. XT save it faster. Like 1 moment and everything ready. Okay, let's close this model. Open step. And step open it with error, small error. Okay, but it's open. Okay, you check at the time, yeah? Opening of XT PowerSolid. Faster, much faster. Guys, use PowerSolid for transferring between different software. My advice to you, I don't know why somebody uses step. I don't know. Alright, let's go to next part of this video. I need to make inspection. Okay, if you need to make inspection with this. Right, I opened Ctrl X. DesignX is already closed, and you can put DesignX file into you cannot. Alright. Hey, what's this? No, I cannot open files together. I don't know why. I can do this in previous versions. I had this model in 2015 DesignX, and it should be opened together with a scan. Yeah, it's opened together with two scans, because I have two scans inside. I have cavity and I have exterior. But I do not understand. I made part. Oh, maybe. Oh, versions. Yeah, because it's like I opened it in older version. Older version DesignX in newer version of. Okay, let's see again what wrong. No, we have scan inside. Okay, put it into Ctrl X, but I don't have scan. Alright, I will use STO, which I have as a folder. Oh, let's go in larger. Now, because I have preferences, settings, scan in millimeters. I try to open scan in inches. That's why it became bigger. Alright, if you see I have another alignment, but that is better because I can show you possibilities of Ctrl-X capabilities. Sorry. Initial alignment. Use enhanced alignment accuracy with feature recognition. That will be much precisely alignment. Right, let's align it. Next, best fit. Try to use sampling ratio 100%. Nothing happens. Maybe need to use datum alignment. First, I will use center hole, this hole, or no. Side lines was very bad. Maybe I cannot use symmetry. Yeah, when I have symmetrical line, I cannot use something like that in Ctrl-X. Okay, calculation failed. I think I could not use a scan anymore. Remove these alignments. I will use file from here, export, and export in binary STL, Pulley alignment, custom settings. I will use millimeters, it's much comfortable for me. Okay, Pulley alignment. I will not use any alignments because it's already like aligned in Design X. Next, 3D compare. To maybe 1.5. Machining accuracy maybe 1.8, and here 0.5. Much. 0.8. Good. Okay, let's go make screenshot of 3D view. Reassign 3D view. Reassign. Yeah. But I don't know how to show, maybe better side. Okay, this side. Okay, that's like 3D compare. You understand? Like press buttons, shows tolerances. You can have different meters, whiskers, color points, a color map. Color map is much comfortable for analyzing. Next, 2D compare. It's one of my favorite in Design X. You can make like single cross section. Do you see like tolerances? Yeah. And also, okay, that's that. Not sure, is it possible to make points? I mean about points on 2D. Oh yeah, it's possible. Just press button and it shows displacement between CAD data and scan data. Yeah, I like it. Also, what can you do? It's multiple 2D compares. Sometimes I make it at 4 revolved shapes. Choose part, this part, yeah, and rotation method, base axis, base axis, and 12 equal spacing. Go. Set up tolerances. And press OK. And we got many cross sections around revolved shape with color whiskers. You can also go inside. Let's open maybe this 9. Edit. You can press on the black silhouette. You got many points. Similar for all, you can make for all to decompare. Let's go with sketches or only like pressing on the black silhouette of the part, because you are analyze it like nominal is your part and your analyzed scans in Ctrl X. In Design X you making designing from the scan. Here you have like actual part and you need analyze actual part with many scans. Okay, hide. Next, comparison points, also like very cool operation. Press Ctrl and oh, I do not understand why it doesn't work in. Really interesting. Okay, I try to press Ctrl, but nothing happens. Maybe because I already have comparison points in 2D sketches. Yeah, maybe that's like bug. Okay, let's remove all of this and try again. Doesn't work. Alright, and make saving. Let's try again. Comparison points doesn't work. Maybe I need to close and open again. They're not working. What happens? Guys. Alright. I will create a new file. Okay, same tolerances. Okay, showing. That's like nominal view. Let's make bigger, sorry. Yeah. Comparison points. Yeah, it's working now. Yeah. Next going, they see like we need to place this deviation label outside of the part. If you see it's like snapped right now. We can use close to the object. We can use automatic. Automatic is best. Guys, use it automatic. Right, set up deviations and make all these points. I'm sorry about first time. I really don't know. Maybe something happens with the software. Maybe it's like you cannot use 2D comparison points together with 3D comparison points. Right, go here. If you see, it's like use a default view, but I can reassign and use my default view. Hide points. Okay, comparison points again. You do not need to press like control buttons together with left mouse button. Click only left mouse button. CMP 2. Use comfortable view for us and reassign. Okay, another side. Remember, it's millimeters, not inches. Ready. And now let's try to make multiple 2D compares. Rotation. Let's for revolving equal spacing. Y-axis. 12 cross sections. And really for Control X you need very powerful computer for working faster. I have good computer, but it's not powerful for Control X. Yeah, maybe you need something like i7, i7, yeah, 90, 70, 97, 00K. Yeah, it's the best what you can buy, or maybe Xeon, because like productivity of Xeon is maybe 5–10% lower than in i7, but it costs 8 times lower than i7. 64 gigs of RAM will be good, and you need a graphic card, Quadro. Alright, let's make some comparison points and create report later. Okay, comparison points working here. And if you understand, you need to make 3D comparison points firstly before you will make any 2D comparison, cross-section sketches, or 2D comparison points, because something not working in Control X 2018. Alright, I will not go to comparison of dimensions or anything other. Maybe I will make another video soon with this. But let's go. Generate report. And you can also add 3D PDF into your reports. Okay, you see all views I reassigned with color bar on the side to decompare sketches. You can also see like statistic, Six Sigma on the right side of report here. You can also see all statistical data on the side. Yeah, you see like you have 2D cross section, color map, and you have labels. It's very cool. Right, go here, default, Pulley, save, and waiting for saving. Okay, we have ready report. For better using of Geomagic report, I recommend Adobe Acrobat Pro. Why? Because you can open 3D PDF, guys. Yeah. You see many like CNP, yeah, control comparison points, but you can press one button and you do not see them anymore. You can hide 3D compare. About view, you can use here transparent wireframe, maybe shaded, no, solid outline, yeah, solid outline. You can see like comparison between scan without colors. What you can see in 3D comparison colors, color maps. And another page you can see all this analyzing data. Ready, that's what I tried to show you. Thanks for watching. Thanks to site Polyga for free models for that you give possibility to study reverse engineering design. Thanks Geomagic team. Thanks 3D Systems for very beautiful software. And I hope I will make more videos soon, because like I don't have too much time for this, and I hope I will make vlogging sometimes, but you must understand I don't have too much time on this, but let's see, maybe one video in 1 week. Thank you for watching and goodbye.